mustache. Welcome to Extreme Makeover. Today on Extreme Makeover, our guest is the ex-WWF wrestler Ted CD. Let's see what he's got to say about his big makeover.
Well, I don't really have much to do nowadays, so, I came down here, maybe get a haircut, trim this beard, maybe get a tan if there's time. Nothing too major.
Okay, let's get him in there. Oh, I love makeovers. It's makeover time, yeah! Okay, welcome back to Extreme Makeover. Before the break, we were talking to Ted about his Extreme Makeover. Let's see what he looked like before. Gross. Okay, let's see what he looks like now.
Yeah. Is this me in this mirror thing here?
Yeah?
So this is my arm. That's what it looks like now, huh?
Uh-huh.
And, this thing here on my chest, I'm gonna guess that's my heart,
Yeah.